Welcome back to my kitchen, Bhadra's cooking journey. Today I am going to make bhatti ka paneer tikka. It's a tandoori dish. To get started, we have to make bhatti masala. So let's get started. So the ingredients are 4 tablespoons of anardana, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 black cardamom, 5 green cardamom and 2 pieces of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. Now we will have to dry roast this till it becomes brown and a nice aroma comes. So let's dry roast it nicely on low flame or medium flame. It is this masala which gives the charred aroma and taste to the paneer. See, let it become brown and nice aroma come. It should not burn, okay? So after it has nicely roasted, we will grind it into a fine powder. Wow, such nice aroma is coming. I love the smell. So as I said before, you should not burn. Nice. So let it roast nicely. Okay. See, it's slightly becoming brown. Now after this, we'll have to dry roast the besan, which is around 2 tablespoons. Okay. So it has nicely roasted and has a brown color. Now we'll take it out on a bowl. Now we will allow this to cool and then we will grind it to a powder. Now let's put the besan and roast it. Besan should also be dry. So the besan should also be dry. See, roast it nicely. Dry roast it. You heard my mother's sound in between, like she's overlooking me if I'm doing something naughty over here. So like, let it roast. Now we will take this out on a pan. Bowl, sorry. So I have taken around 1 kg of paneer. You can take half kg also. And the paneer should be like cube like this. And the thickness is around 1 centimeter. Now I will be sprinkling some salt so that the water comes out and it becomes like steady when we are marinating and tandoori doing. So what I meant was that the paneer won't break when we are grilling it. So to save time, I have already ground the roasted masala into fine powder. See, it has a nice smell. Okay. Now take a bowl. So take a bowl. As I am using 1 kg of paneer, I am going to use the whole masala. If you are using half kg, use only 2 to 3 tablespoons and then keep it in a container. So I am going to put this. So let's put this in the bowl. So into this I will be adding 1/4 cup of refined oil. If you have mustard oil, very good. It will enhance the flavor of the paneer tikka. Now into this I will be adding the roasted gram flour or besan. Okay. Now I will be adding half teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 2 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak. If you don't have black salt, it's okay, you can use 2 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have, it's okay, you can opt it out. Into this I will be adding 2 tablespoon of lime juice and salt as per your taste. Now after this we'll mix it nicely. Now let's mix it nicely. This can be used on chicken also. Okay. Blanched cauliflower or blanched potato is nice. So I'm using paneer butter. This dish is from the state of Amritsar. Now I will be adding 4 tablespoons of hankad. Now if you are using half kg of paneer, only 2 tablespoons of hankad is enough. Hankad means curd which has no water in it. Okay. See the consistency of a masala, it should be thick. Okay, see. Now I will add the hankad, 4 tablespoons. Now let's mix it nicely. See. Now into this I will be adding freshly chopped coriander. Okay. Now let's again mix it nicely. A nice aroma of freshly ground masala is coming. Wow. Okay. So our marinade is ready. Now we're gonna marinate the paneer. If you want, you can use veggies like diced onions, some bell pepper. Okay, some yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, it's okay. Now let's marinate the paneer. So let's take 1 piece of paneer and some marinade. Little is enough. And nicely marinate it on all the sides. Do it slowly. Do not break the paneer. Okay. Cover it entirely. Okay. Now I will marinate the rest of the paneer also. So I have marinated the first set of paneer and onions, which I am going to grill now. Now let's heat the grilling pan. If you don't have a grilling pan, you can use normal pan also or oven also. If you have tandoor, you can also make it in the tandoor. So let's heat it. So let the oil become hot. Okay. So my oil has become hot and I have reduced the flame into medium flame. Now let's slowly put one paneer. And some bell peppers and onions too. Okay. So when one side is cooked, you will slowly flip it into another side. Since it is paneer, it will cook very fast. Okay. So you don't have to grill it for a long time. So now let's flip the paneer slowly. Wow, see those lines have come. As I said, this was my burger recipe. I love the lines. Okay. So it is not a very hard recipe, it's a simple dish. You can eat it as a snack or evening snack or dinner with soups and all. So if you want, you can make the masala the previous day and then marinate the other day with chicken or paneer or blanched potatoes or blanched cauliflower. Okay. So after making this, you can also have it as a wrap. Very nice. It's usually served with green dhania chutney, which I've already showed. You can check my description. In the description, I have shared the link for dhania chutney. So please, go and see it, and you can serve it with nice simple dhania chutney. Okay. So almost all the paneers are grilled. So let's take it out on a plate. So our bhatti ka paneer tikka is ready. So do check on the marinade. It should not be runny. It should coat the paneer nicely. That's why we have used the hung curd. So now let's serve it on a nice serving plate. So our bhatti ka paneer tikka is ready. I've served it with my own simple dhania chutney, which I put in the description. If you have onions in vinegar, you can put it in that, but I put plain simple onions and a piece of lime. So do try it at home and do check my channel this week. I'm gonna make something special for our Lord Ganpati Bappa. So do try this at home. Like and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.